Please buy these sneakers in 2023. These are all sneakers I think are going to go up in price or are very wearable sneakers. Please, I'm telling you guys to buy these sneakers now, here in 2023, before it's too late. The lost and found Air Jordan 1. Anything with the Chicago colorway when it comes to a Jordan 1 tends to skyrocket in price. These are going for around that $450 price point. It's a solid price for a Chicago sneaker that you know one day, years down the line, is going to skyrocket up. They're extremely wearable. They're extremely clean. It's the Chicagos after all, with the aged effect to it. Very nice subtle details, the packaging, the story. It's a great pair of Air Jordan 1s. I've been wearing my pair a lot lately, and I have an update video coming very soon of why these suck after just 2 weeks of wear. Make sure you guys stay tuned and smash that subscribe button. That's a video you do not want to miss out on when it comes to the lost and founds. I'll have that video dropping very soon. Buy these though, here in 2023. It's a great pair of Air Jordan 1s. That is definitely gonna skyrocket. It's the Chicago colorway after all. Once you do some research on who Tom Sachs is, I think these sneakers might intrigue you. You might be interested more in the general purpose shoe. This is the Field Brown colorway. Resale right now is damn near retail, which is a very solid price point. Retail's $110. This is a sneaker that is made to be worn each and every day. It is in fact called the general purpose shoe after all. I like the materials used, that I think this is a good everyday shoe that I'm pretty sure I'm going to be wearing each and every day. Just as beaters, I can't wait to see how these look when they're all beat up and worn each and every day. How these were intended to be made and what they were made for, according to Tom Sachs. We have to talk about the Air Jordan 4 because the Air Jordan 4 hype is through the roof right now. We have a few pairs of Air Jordan 4s. The Air Jordan 4 Seafoam, first and foremost, beautiful pair of Air Jordan 4s. Very, very clean. The fire red color blocking, just with this oil green color, seafoam color. It's very nice, this olive tone to it. A very good fall sneaker. These are very clean, wearable. Prices right now are around that $300 price point. I think these will slightly go up a little bit, but roughly, for the most part, stay around that price. It's a good pair of Air Jordan 4s, man. You can't go wrong with the colorway. After all, it is a twist on the fire reds, man. With this olive color, it's clean. You can't go wrong with this colorway. Buy them. Buy them. I think it's a good pair of Air Jordan 4s. And the next Air Jordan 4 is also a good pair of Air Jordan 4s. The Air Jordan 4 Craft. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I will have a full video talking about the crafts. I did hit on the Nike sneakers app. So when it comes to the Craft 4s, this is, in my opinion, a pass. It's more of like a muted, washed out, cool grade 4. But I do think that grade school is going to be a very good hold. Right now, men's and grade school are profitable. That grade school's at around that $200. Men's at around that $290, $300 price point. Listen, I think it's a clean pair of Jordan 4s. The Jordan 4 hype is through the roof, and I could see the Craft going up a little bit in price because they were not that easy to get in the men's pairs. They were not easy to really get. This sneaker was a lot harder to get than I think people anticipated, so I think both the Seafoam, the Crafts, they're good Air Jordan 4s to buy here in 2023. Don't sleep on the Craft Air Jordan 4 and the Seafoam. You can't go wrong with either one. They're both straight fire. Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Black Phantom. Make sure you guys buy them here in 2023 because if the rumors are true, this is going to be the second to last Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 collab that we see. We are expecting the olive colorway next month, I believe, or coming up here in 2023. If this is it, the black colorway, it's a good price, man. It's a very solid price. For $700, you really can't go wrong with an all-black Air Jordan 1. Travis Scott as well. I will say that if Travis Scott didn't have the effect on these would definitely sit. However, it's definitely a clean pair of sneakers. Everyday fit, you can't go wrong, easy to wear. Materials are nice with the suede. You do have very nice Travis Scott details throughout the sneaker, man. Wings logo on the back. It's a clean pair of Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below because I am giving away a pair. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Like, comment, subscribe, DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of February. I'll be picking the winner in March. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott Black Phantoms. Good luck. And make sure you guys buy these here in 2023 before it's too late. Prices, they may increase if this is one of the last Travis Scott Jordan 1s we ever see. If the collab is done on the Jordan 1, expect some prices. They could potentially go up. Make sure you guys cop the black pair. In 2023, we're going to be receiving more Armourman Air Jordans, but in my opinion, the Air Jordan 4 Armourman is a perfect sneaker to buy now. This could be the last Air Jordan Armourman that actually has some decent resale value to it. We are getting the 12s. 12s normally don't have much resale. We're then going to get 5s. 5s, once again, don't much have resale. So when it comes to the 4s, I think this is potentially going to be one of the last Armourman for quite some time that does have some resale value to it and will go up in price in the future. This is a clean, wearable pair of Air Jordan 4s. I personally think this is the best Air Jordan Armourman. In my opinion, I think these are better than the 3s. Quality, details, story. This is a great executed pair of Air Jordan 4s with Nike Air on the back. Don't sleep on the Armourman. This is a great pair of Air Jordans to buy here in 2023. And prices are not too hefty either. I love when Nike brings back OG colorways. This time, we're getting, finally, the Air Jordan 1 black and white. This time in an 85 high. These actually released today. The day that this video drops, these actually released today. These sold out. Resale is still holding strong at over $300. It'll probably stay around there. It's a very good pair of Air Jordan 1s. Black, white, OG colorway. Beautiful pair of Air Jordan 1s. That's very wearable, very clean. People are calling these the Pandas because of the black and white colorway. But guys, don't forget, these existed way before we were calling them the Pandas. This is an OG Air Jordan 1 at the end of the day. And you know OG Jordans, for the most part, have hype to them. They do usually sell out. People want them, especially on the Air Jordan 1. This is a fire pair of Air Jordan 1s. Don't sleep on this black and white Air Jordan 1 85 high. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.